Hello, the application that I am going to show today is called Jack's Music Widget. And it's just that it's a widget for your music player. And there's a free version and there's a paid version. If you see here, it says $1.99. I'm currently using the free version and has a few little glitches that I'm noticing. So not really sure if I want to get the paid version just yet until they work those things out. But I really do like it, and it is the best widget that I've found so far. A lot of the other widgets that I've tried to use, because the main reason why I want the widget is to put it on my home screen. Um, the music player on that's built into my phone doesn't have a widget automatically, so I need a separate widget to be able to have it on my lock screen. And a lot of the other ones made my phone laggy, so I guess they were pulling too much from my CPU or my GPU and probably from my battery. So this is the best one. Of course, like anything, I always tell you, use the free one first and then see if you like it enough to buy the paid. Of course, they give you some added features plus some features. Um, but it doesn't tell you what. It says this key adds additional features to Jack's Music Widget, which must be installed in order for this key to work. But it doesn't tell you what the features are that it adds. So it hasn't made me want to like jump up and get the paid version. So let's go ahead and let's get into the application. So here's the application. When you open the application, the first thing you have to do is open notification to access the settings. So we tap that, it's going to come up. It should be selected, but if it's not selected, you just select it, and that allows Jack's widget to be utilized for your music programs on your phone, your music applications. Display album name in the widget. I like having that. You can choose between dark, light, and transparent. I like mine transparent. You can also choose an application that launches when you tap the widget. Of course, I don't want that to be set because I have the widget for my lock screen. If I can just tap it and open an app, that would defeat the purpose of having my lock screen. You have the option to do the words that show up in all caps. I like the song title to be in all caps. And then, of course, you can upgrade to the plus as an option. Of course, like all widgets, you have to have a blank space on the home screen. So I just created a new home page. We're going to hold that down, and then we're going to go to add. And then the widget is here as an option all the way to the right. We select widget, and a list of widgets come up. We're going to select Jack's Music Widget. It gives us two options. So let's go ahead and do both so we can see the difference in the two options that we have. And as we can see here, one is rectangular and one is square. So let's move the square one all the way down and leave space there for the rectangular one. And then we're going to go back to my widget locker, and we're going to create a widget there. So I'm going to go ahead and create a widget here. And once we do that, we can go into the music program. So as you see, when there's no music playing, the widget can be blank, or sometimes it will display the last album that you played. So we slide and we open the music player. It comes up. This is the song that's there. So we'll press play. And we can press pause. We hit the back button. And here it is inside of my lock screen. So let's see if we resize it a little bit. Give it some more space, kind of to grow. See how it shows up. Oh, well, that's not much different. And it's either going to be on the left or on the right, or we can resize it. So sometimes you can get it just right. the way that you want it. And we can also go to where we had it on the home screen and see the two different ones. So this is the one on the bottom, is the one I have on um, my lock screen currently, and then which has the full picture in the background. So I guess that's the difference between the two. One utilizes the whole area for background for the photograph, and then the other one utilizes it um, just in the corner. So of course we can resize these as well, and the larger you make them, the larger the picture becomes. So that looks like that's like the perfect size for this one. This one as well, we can resize and see that that's probably the best size for these two on the home screen. I've decided that I like the other one better, so I'm going to remove that one, and I'm going to do the, because I don't have enough space for it to really look as good as it looks on the home screen, so I'm going to do this little one here, and then we'll resize it and open it up so we can read all the words. Alright, so that's the one I'll use on my lock screen. And you see, so now if you press play, plays the songs. You use the skip buttons. So I think I have it for only one song. Oh, here we go, another song played. So you see, you can actually skip through the music. Right now my back button is the only one working, and my pause, my forward button's not working. And you do the same thing with these. So you press play, and you see it changes. Both of them now have changed the names. If we go back to the lock screen, same thing. So they all work. Um, but what I found, which is interesting, is why another reason why I'm using a different music player, because I want to use the widget locker. If I go to the stock music player, it'll just pick it up when I press play for this song. It just starts playing, but it doesn't display the pictures. So you have your widget locker, you have your widgets. I have them both here, but no pictures are there. Same thing when I go to my lock screen. The buttons still work. It actually works a little better with this music player. It actually works a little better. All the buttons work with this music player, but it doesn't display the photographs. So I don't know what that is or why it is, but that's Jack's music widget in a nutshell, and it's a pretty good widget. Try it out, see if you like it, and I hope that this video helps someone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.